Now Cramer rule generally based in the determinant method. The equation is given. First we find the determinant value. That suppose the given equation is given here. These are two equations and two unknown value x and y. First we note down the coefficient matrix of this equation. The coefficient of x and y in the first equation AB, and the coefficient of the second equation is C and D. This is the coefficient matrix of C. It is denoted by D, or the value of coefficient matrix. Now next step, the coefficient matrix, the solution of the coefficient matrix is the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. It means the first diagonal element is AD and the multiplication is AD, and the difference after then the second column multiplication BC. Now the value of x. What is the value of x? The value of x, the coefficient matrix is find here. The coefficient in the coefficient matrix first column replaced by the constant value. The first column in the coefficient matrix first column replaced by the constant value, then and divided by the coefficient matrix, and divided by the coefficient matrix, it is known as the value of x. And the value of y, and the value of y is find out in the coefficient matrix second column replaced by the constant value, the constant value is EF replaced by the second column value BD, then BD is replaced by the EF. First column same it is, and divided by the coefficient matrix A. This is the value of x and y. It is clear, everyone? So the main rule is first we find the coefficient matrix of the given equation. After that, the first find the value of x. Then the coefficient matrix first column interchange or replaced by the constant value given in the right hand side of the equation and divided by the coefficient matrix. Then we find the value of x, and we find the value of y. Then the coefficient matrix second column replaced by the constant value given in the right hand side of the equation and divided by the coefficient matrix. Then we find the value of y. It is clear, everyone? Now we come in the question. This is the given problem. The 8x plus 5y is equal to 2, 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 10. This is the equation of two unknown value. First we find the coefficient matrix. The coefficient matrix, the unknown value x and y, the coefficient is in the first equation 8, 5, and the second equation unknown value x and y coefficient is 2 minus 4. This is the coefficient matrix. Now the solve this coefficient matrix is the solution is the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. It is minus 42. Now the value of x. The value of x is the coefficient matrix first column is replaced by the constant value. It means 8 and 2 replaced by 2 minus 10 and divided by the coefficient matrix value. This is minus 42. Now the y, the coefficient matrix second column is replaced by 5 minus 4 replaced by the constant value. First column is same it is. Then it is 5 replaced by 2 and 4 minus 4 replaced by minus 10 and divided by minus 42. It is clear? Now simplify the value of the 2 by 2 order determinant is equal to the difference of the cross multiplication of its elements. Then simplify, the value of x is 1 and the value of y is same, simplify, then the value of y is equal to 2. It is clear, everyone? The solution is minus 1 comma 2. It is clear, everyone? This is the again repeat the same method. If the given equation is ax plus by is equal to e, cx plus dy is equal to f, then d is the coefficient of matrix and dx is the first column of the coefficient matrix replaced by the constant value. Second column same it is. this is the dx, determinant of dx, and dy the determinant of the constant matrix second column replaced by the constant value. It means A C is same it is, and the second column B D is replaced by EF. Then x is equal to dx divided by d, and y is equal to dy divided by d. It is clear, everyone? Now the d is the given equation is given here. The d is equal to the determinant of coefficient matrix. The coefficient of x and y is 2, 3 in the first equation, and the coefficient of second equation is 3, 5. Note down 3 and 5. Simplify the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. This is the solution of the 2 by 2 order determinant is equal to 19. Now dx, the first column of the coefficient matrix replaced by the constant term, that is 2 and 3 replaced by minus 16 and 14. Second column same it is. Simplify the determinant, the solution of the determinant of the 2 by 2 order is equal to the difference of the cross multiplication of its element, that it is value is minus 38. Now dy is the coefficient matrix second column replaced by the constant term. The first column is same it is. The second column value replaced by, that is minus 3, 5 replaced by 16, minus 16, 14, and solved by the difference of the cross multiplication of the elements, then the value is 76. Now x is equal to dx upon d. It means ds is the determinant of 2 by 2 order, the first column placed by the constant term, and d is the coefficient matrix. Simplify, and the value is minus 2, and y is equal to the second column of the coefficient matrix replaced by the constant term, and the d is equal to the coefficient of matrix determinant of second order. Simplify, the value is 4. It is clear, everyone? Now 3 by 3 order determinant defined used by the Cramer rule. Cramer rule, first we simplify the determinant of A. This is the expand the determinant according to the first row. First element is A11, then first row, first column cancel out, then the corresponding element of the remaining element in 2 by 2 determinant form. The second element is taking the sign is minus, and the value is the second element minus B1. Then the first row, second column cancel out, then the remaining element in the form of 2 by 2 determinant of. Then similarly C1, the first row, third column cancel out, the cofactor matrix of the remaining element is in the form of the determinant. And thus example here, these are the equation of 3 variable x1, x2 and x3, and the constant is b1, b2, b3, and the coefficient is a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23. Now A is equal to x1 is equal to d1 upon d, x2 is equal to d2 upon d, and x3 is equal to d3 upon d, where A is equal to coefficient matrix of the unknown variable, x is equal to A is the unknown variable, and B is equal to constant term. D is equal to the coefficient matrix. D1, the coefficient matrix first column is replaced by the constant term, that is B1, B2, B3. It is clear? The D2 is equal to the second, the coefficient matrix second column replaced by the constant term B1, B2, B3, first and third column same. And D3 is the first, second column same, and the last column is replaced by the constant term B1, B2, B3. It is clear, everyone? Now the example of 3 unknown variable is given here. The constant term is 36, 7, minus 31. The coefficient of matrix is 2, minus 4, 5, minus 3, 5, 7, 5, 3, minus 8. Now simplify. The first we find the D. The first in the coefficient matrix first column is replaced by the constant term, that is 2 replaced by 36, minus 3 replaced by 7, and 5 is replaced by minus 31. It is clear? then D1, and D2 is equal to second column replaced by the constant term, and D3 is equal to third column replaced by the constant term. Simplify by the determinant method, then find the value of x1, x2, x3. Now some example here. Simplify by the determinant method, Cramer rule. X equal to the coefficient or coefficient matrix of x, y, z, and the x1 equal to the first column is replaced. The denominator is the coefficient of matrix x, y, z, and x1 is equal to the first column is replaced by the constant term, that is 3, 1, 1 is replaced by 9, minus 5, minus 2. Divide both the values, the result is 1. And in the y, the coefficient matrix second column minus 2 to 1 is replaced by the constant term 9, minus 5, minus 2. First and third column is same, and divided both the determinant, the result is minus 3. And the last is z, the coefficient of matrix is in the denominator. In the denominator matrix, first two column is same, and the last column in the change by the constant term. The constant term is 9, minus 5, minus 2. And after the division, the value is 0. It is clear? The solution is 1, minus 3, 0. Now some practice question. Come into word exercise. Solve the given equation by the Cramer rule. So first we find the coefficient of matrix D. D is equal to, first we note down the equation. First we note down the equation 4x plus y is equal to 24. Second equation 3x minus 5y is equal to 8. Now simplify these equation by the Cramer rule. Solve equation by Cramer rule. First we find the coefficient of matrix, it is denoted by D. D is equal to coefficient of matrix the coefficient of x is 4 in the first equation. The coefficient of y in the first equation is 1, note down 1. The coefficient of x in the second equation is 3, note down 3. The coefficient of y in the second equation is minus 5, note down minus 5. Now D1. Dx is equal to dx is equal to the coefficient matrix first column is replaced by the constant term. The constant term is, the first constant term is 24. The second constant term of second equation, the right hand side is 8. Note down 8. This is the dx. Now dy. dy is equal to the coefficient of matrix second column value replaced by constant term. The second column value, the 1 is replaced by 24 and minus 5 is replaced by 8. Now x is equal to dx replaces by dx divided by d. Now put the value of dx and d. Now first we simplify the value of d and dx. First we simplify the value of d. D is equal to the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. 4 5 the 20 minus 20, then minus 3 1 the 3. The value is equal to minus 23. Now dx, simplify the value of dx. Is equal to minus 120 minus 8 8 1 8 is equal to minus 128. Now dy, simplify dy. Now dy is the value of the cross multiplication of the difference of the cross multiplication of the element. 4 8 are 32 minus 72, that is minus 40. Now x is equal to dx upon d. Dx upon d. Now put the value of dx and d in the next step. Value of d is minus 23 and value of dx is equal to minus 128 minus 128 that is cancel out minus symbol from numerator and denominator. The value of x is 128 upon 23. This is the value of x. Now we find the value of y. Y is equal to dy upon d. Dy upon d. Dy upon d. Now put the value of next step. The value of dy is equal to minus 40. And the value of d is equal to minus 23. Now minus sign is cancelled from both the numerator and denominator. The value of y is 40 upon 23. This is the second answer, the value of y. Hence x is equal to and y is equal to this is the solution of the equation of given equation. If you check your answer is right or wrong, put the value of x and y in this any one equation or both the equation. If the satisfied, then your answer is right, otherwise your answer is not right. It is clear everyone?